Hi children, how are you? Now we are reached sixth block. What is sixth block says? Factors. Those who know the multiplication table, that's very easy this chapter. Okay, today we are going to do one activity. Take small piece, 16 pieces. Take a paper and cut into 16 pieces. Then we want to do one activity. Please arrange this paper piece in some rows and columns. But one condition is that all rows needed same number of paper piece, or all columns needed any one. All rows needed same number of paper piece, or all columns needed same number of paper piece. It's just this video I will show it to you how to arrange these paper slip in different ways.
Hi children, I have 16 paper slip. Then you look there how to arrange that 16 papers in different way. One condition is that in each column or each rows we needed the same number of papers piece. Then look there, here I just arranged this way. Then how many columns here? Only one column. And how many rows? Look there, 16 rows are there. Then second, you look there, how many columns here? 2 columns. Then how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows are there. And you look there here. Here 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are there. Here you just look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. And here then how many rows are here? Only 1 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 columns are there. Only 1 rows and 16 columns. So you find out the number of rows and columns now. Okay, any other way we can arrange? No, only this is only possible.
I just draw that figure here. I show that paper strip how to arrange. I just draw that figure here. First, I just arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One method is there. I just arrange that paper slip this way. You look there. Here how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 columns. So I just mark here columns and rows. Here how many columns? 16 columns. Then how many rows are here? You just look, only 1 row. In each row, only 1 row, that rows have only 16 paper piece. Next I just arrange this paper slip. This is one method. Second method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here look, how many columns here? Only 1 column. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 rows. This much only. Any other way? Yeah. We can arrange this way. Another method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. How many rows? 2 rows and 8 columns. Any other way? Yeah. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I just arranged that 16 paper strip this way. So here how many columns? 2 columns and 8 rows. Any other way? Yeah, one more method is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like the 16 paper slip. How many rows and columns? 4 rows and 4 columns. So you look the number of columns, numbers in columns and numbers in rows. Look, 16 is here. Rows also 16. 1 is there. Rows also 1. 8. Here also 8. 2, 2, 4, 4. So the number of columns. Numbers in columns and rows are same numbers. So which are the numbers you find out? 1 is the 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are the numbers only here. So these numbers we say that the factors of 16. So what is this? Factors of 16. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are the factors of 16. Then any relation between the rows and columns and the number of papers? Look, the 16 into 1. What is the value of 16 into 1? 16. 1 into 16. Yeah, that also 16. 8 into 2. 16. 2 into 8. 16. 4 into 4. 16. So you look the factors. Now you find out how to find the factors using this paper piece in your textbook using tiles. Okay, most of them are staying in home. They can't going outside. So we are using papers instead of tiles. So now it's clear how to arrange 16 papers piece. Yeah, one is 16 columns, other is 16 rows. Next 2 rows and 8 columns. Next 2 columns and 8 rows. Then 4 columns and 4 rows. It's clear. Then just like you want to find the factors of 16. Then your textbook. We will discuss some problems from your textbook. I'm not saying the answer, you just do alone. Write the numbers of rows and columns in each table. Here some figures are given. You want to find the rows and columns. Then draw square tiles to show all the possible combination of rows and columns for the given numbers. Write all the factors of each number. So take 6 paper strip. Then you arrange this like how many combinations are there, that you write columns and rows. Then you find out the factors. Next 8, 30, then 20. Third question we will discuss next class. Okay. Same like problems from your workbook also. Dear children, how you find the factors using square tile? You just arrange square tiles in some manners. We needed, each column needed the same number of rows. Okay, each column needed the same number of paper strip. It's clear? Okay, do all problems. In textbook 2 problems, A and B, and workbook also 2 problems. Then third question we will do next class, prime numbers. Okay. Okay dear children, I hope all are clear this. Do all problems and send to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.